Tired of manually marking emails as read? Learn how to auto-mark them in Gmail in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to set up a filter that automatically marks emails as read. Just follow these 9 simple steps. Start by heading over to your Gmail homepage. Then, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Quick Settings menu. Now, select See All Settings to open the full settings panel. In the settings, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab at the top. Then, click Create a New Filter to start setting up your rule. Enter the criteria for the emails you want to auto-mark as read. For example, type a sender's email address in the From field. Once that's done, click Create Filter at the bottom. In the filter actions, check the box next to Mark as Read. Finally, click Create Filter again to save it. From now on, any new emails matching that filter will be automatically marked as read. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.